Toelect, the revolutionary item for your bathroom. There are 3.2 million bacteria living in your toilet. Numerous times a day, we are encountering them. Our bathroom needs to be the cleanest place ever. How do you clean your toilet? Have you been using chemical toilet bowl cleaners? The use of chemical toilet bowl cleaners causes many problems. Phthalate artificial fragrances harm our body. Filthy products after use need to be personally picked up and replaced. This wastes tax dollars and causes environmental contamination. The biggest problem is that the chemical cleaners we use can damage our family's health. Despite the problems, we have been using various different brands of chemical toilet bowl cleaners. But it's time to change for the health of our family. Toelect, the revolutionary toilet sanitizer. Hang the Toelect on your toilet, then just plug it in. The core technology is the water electrolysis-based green system. It is operated with electricity only and added electrolytes of brine. Natural detergents and sterilizers will automatically form and maintain the cleanliness of the toilet with each and every use. Toelect keeps our toilet clean and odor-free. Also, UV LED lamps turn on periodically, sterilizing 99.9% of the germs in the water, as tested by the Advanced Materials Subdivision of KIT University. Thus, upgrading your bathrooms to be systematically eco-hygienic. Toelect's marketability is endless. The number of toilets installed around the world cannot even be counted. Bathroom cleanliness is closely connected with a healthy life. This eco-friendly, semi-permanent product's future value is high. Toelect can be installed in individual housing, as well as shared facilities such as hotels, malls, hospitals, and schools. Connect to an IoT system. You can manage and monitor your Toelect from anywhere using your smartphone in the near future. The newest paradigm for toilet cleaning starts with not toilet, but Toelect. An environmentally friendly bathroom cleaning system. Toelect.